Hey, let's take a quick look at the rank function. The rank function is great for figuring out who the largest number is. I'll select my cells, equal rank of this particular number within this whole range. Really important that you hit the F4 key for that second argument. Control Enter to enter that everywhere. And we'll see that Glenda is the number one sales rep right now. There's a problem with rank, though, in case you have a tie. Look at Kayla and Kevin in row 10 and 11. They both sold 1310. They have a tie for second place, and no one is rank 3. I guess technically that's correct. Let me show you my next example. In this case, I'm building a report that's going to be on the company bulletin board every hour to show who our sales leader is. I have the numbers 1, 2, 3 in cells E3 through E5, and then VLOOKUP formulas to go over and find out who's ranked number 1, who's ranked number 2, who's ranked number 3. Well, because we happen to have a tie and no one's ranked number 3, my VLOOKUP formulas don't work. I'm going to hit page down and show you the solution. Let's look over here in the rank function. In addition to doing the rank function, I'm also telling Excel to count the number of cells above me that have the same sales as me. Now this forces Kevin, because he comes alphabetically after Kayla, to be ranked as 3. And I'm sure he's upset about that, but now my report on the right-hand side works. Let's move on. We've talked about the subtotal function. Subtotal function is great because it allows you to put a grand total at the bottom. But here I got a worksheet from someone else who doesn't know about the subtotal function, and they manually entered the sums all the way down. Here's an old accounting trick that I learned from an old accountant. If you have someone who's added all the subtotals in, you can solve the problem by using the sum function, sum the entire range, including the numbers and the subtotals, and because they're all in there twice, divide by 2. There you have it. You can go through and add them up, but I guarantee it works. Sum and divide by 2. Moving on. Hey, we have some numbers over there in column A, and I'm going to put in a count function, equal count. It says we have 19 numbers. That's right. Now I'm going to go over and copy that to column D, and it says we have only 16 numbers. What's up with that? Well, hey, look, we have a couple of letters there, and the count function won't count letters. Isn't that crazy? If you need to count data that has both letters and numbers, instead of count, you have to use count A. There's the 19. Count is a great function. Just be careful that it won't work when you have both text and numbers. Then you have to use count A.